At the edge of a forest lay a calm green pasture where 3 cows lived together, one black, one white, and one brown. They were inseparable friends. They grazed, played, and rested side by side every day. Their unity made them feel safe. One day, a starving lion noticed them. He watched from behind a rock, waiting for them to separate, but they never did. Days passed, and the lion grew restless. He realized he could never defeat them while they stayed united. So he decided to break their bond. One morning, he approached them with a gentle smile. The black and white cows stayed alert, but the brown cow, kind and innocent, greeted him warmly. Slowly, the lion planted doubt in her heart. He whispered, "The white cow looks different. If she's gone, we'll all be the same." Confused and foolish, the brown cow agreed. The white cow was killed. Later, the lion returned. "Now only the black cow is different," he said sweetly. "Remove her, and we'll live in peace." Once again, the brown cow believed him. The black cow was gone too. Now alone, the brown cow felt proud. She thought she was safe. But one day, the lion came back, fiercer than ever. "Today is your turn," he roared. The brown cow cried, "You promised friendship." The lion laughed cruelly. "A lion has no friends." And with that, the brown cow was devoured. True strength lies in unity. When friends, families, or communities stand together, no enemy can defeat them. But when ego and misunderstanding divide us, even the strongest fall. Remember, where there is unity, there is victory, and true unity begins at home. If this story touched you, type unity in the comments and name that one person you'll never let go of. Let's spread love and togetherness.